Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Vanguard, secure access step by step clearly. To log into Vanguard, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in Vanguard's website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your username in the first field. After entering your username, move on to the password field. Type in your password carefully. Ensure that caps lock is off to avoid any errors. Once both fields are filled, click on the login button below. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a prompt for a security code. Check your authentication method, whether it's via SMS or an authentication app. Retrieve the code and enter it in the provided. Click on the Submit button to complete the login process. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Vanguard account dashboard. From there, you can manage your investments and access your account information. If you encounter any issues, check that your username and password are entered correctly or use the Forgot Username or Password option for assistance. Follow the prompts provided for account recovery if needed. Once logged in, make sure to log out after your session for security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.